Hello, everyone. Welcome to November 2025. It is time for a tech tip roundup. In this video, I'm going to review the tech tips created for October 2025. With that being said, let's dive into these tech tips. For the week of October 6, 2025, the tech tip was focused on Google Drive organization and making it easier to store files in Google Drive. I'd like to show in action how suggested folders can be changed in Google Drive in order to move files. Let's say I had a file that I wanted to move, but when I clicked on the document in order to move it, and when those options appeared under suggested folders, the one I desired was not appearing. Here's what I have done many times in the past when I need to move files. Let's say I have a file, could be a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, or a Google Slideshow, and I know it's in the folder that I want to move the other file into. If you click on the folder icon that says Move and wait for it to load, it will show you where that file is located. And if you click on this Open in a New Tab option, it will take you to that folder. Now you might be thinking, okay, well, what do I do at this point? Let's say I remember where that original file was. I could go back to it, and when I move it, under my suggested folders, I will now see, oh, it's going to bring up the folders that I most recently used, which can be very beneficial if you, like me, have layers and layers of folders. I hope this information helps. For the week of October 13th, 2025, this tech tip focused on preparing for Digital Citizenship Week. The resources I shared are from Common Sense Media. Now, if we took a quick dive into the website, we would see that there are a plethora of lessons, calendars, and other materials teachers can use to promote digital citizenship, not only in October, but all year long. For the week of October 20th, 2025, this tech tip continued the trend of digital citizenship, but with a spooky theme and celebration of Halloween. The ideas here may seem simple, but they are necessary reminders about how to keep not only our students, but ourselves safe when using technology. For the week of October 27th, 2025, this tip focused on some changes to Google Drive sharing. Google Drive files now have to have the same sharing settings in parent folders if parent folders have specific settings. So, if you have noticed difficulty with sharing files outside of your organization, check the settings within the parent folder. That's all for October 2025's recap, and more will be shared next month. Remember, everyone, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.